Meine Herr, I give you the Ferdinand.
The world's slowest Porsche.
And I promise you guys, this will be way better than the Young Panther.
Herr Commandant, do you want me to position us in the forest so we can hide at long range?
Nein. We have 200 millimeters of club steel. We are charging forwards.
I don't know if you concluded charging at this speed.
Feuer! Gunner, traverse left.
I have.
Oh, Scheiße, I forgot. Driver, schneller! Can't this thing go any faster?
I'm afraid not, Herr Commandant. That's our top speed.
Oh, mein Gott! My grandmother's Volkswagen moves faster than this in neutral! And why is this folder map so goddamn big?
11 minutes later.
Herr Commandant, I haven't seen a single enemy tank.
Huh? Was ist das?
We suffered a defeat. Head back to base.
God damn it! We didn't even get to the front line this time! Meine Herr, the Soviets and the Swedish have devised a plan to flank us via the Maginot Line. So we and 12 other panzers must battle for 3 small 100-meter square circles on the French countryside.
I'm sorry, the Swedish and the Russians.
It would appear they were added to the game. Join the conflict.
Aha! Enemy Panzer! 50 meters! Feuer!
I don't feel like that was balanced.
Holy Scheiße!
Oh God! Is this balanced enough for you?
More or less.
Teamwork makes dream work.
Yeah! Ah, this damn shell is so heavy! Ah, suck on my fucking toe!
Feuer! I think I could get used to the elephant.
Who in the hell brings a BT to rank 4?
Well, you know, the Russians aren't exactly known for valuing tank crews' lives.
Ah, who cares? We finally got more than 1 kill in a single match. Los geht's! Ah, isn't this map perfect?
There is literally no cover.
Cover? Pff, we don't need it. We're in the Ferdinand. Aha, driver, halt. Target, 1 Kilometer.
Jawohl!
Fire it!
Ha, there, easy.
Commandant, the Soviets have an IS-2.
Oh, Scheiße. We might want to fire very quickly.
But Commander, we are still loading!
Give us another 5.5 seconds, damn you!
Oh well, don't forget our secret German strategy. Ah, get us angled, driver.
I think that's going to be a bit tricky.
What do you mean that's going to be a bit tricky? Ah, Scheiße! I forgot about those stupid side plates. Oh, Scheiße. Eric, get the fire extinguisher.
But Commander, we haven't unlocked the fire extinguisher yet.
What do you mean we haven't unlocked the fire extinguisher? It's standard Deutsch safety equipment. Mein Gott, this fucking game is bullshit. I cannot believe we have to actually research and then buy a fucking fire extinguisher. This game is seriously unsafe. Someone could have gotten injured. Well, I must say, I'm kind of relieved we have the British helping us fight the Americans, the Chinese and the Soviets this time. Our medium panzers don't seem to be able to flank.
T-34, front!
Is it Chinese or Russian?
Well, Gunner, is it made from plastic?
Well, I guess. Ain't we all?
What are you talking about? Our tank is made out of club steel. Feuer! What? That's so unrealistic! There's no way that should have bounced!
Oh well, it's over now. He's going to get behind us.
Hold on, I'll go into reverse.
Oh, my girlie! This thing goes as fast in reverse as it does forwards.
Natürlich. We have a petrol-electric drive, meaning we use electric motors to power the drive sprockets rather than a gearbox, and as a result are just as fast in forward as we are in reverse.
Well, that's a plus.
Cool. Feuer!
Hold Himmler!
Looks like we missed one of them crowd apartment blocks.
What the fuck? Why are the Amerikaners using a strategic bomber as a ground attacker?
Wilson, drop the bombs!
Typisch. Oh my god. Guys, I do not think we are going to be able to afford to repair this tank again.
Herr Commandant, don't worry. Sure, the last 30 matches went to Scheisse, but we have learned some lessons and it's all going to be uphill from now.
What's the matter? Why are we stopping?
It must be the petrol-electric drive. The cooling system is inefficient, and so when under stress from climbing hills, our engines are prone to overheating.
Well, we are cooked.
No, I don't want to be a yummy steak.
Relax, mein Kameraden. We have the fire extinguisher now. Whew. Driver, get that fixed and let's get moving.
Jawohl, just give me 30 seconds to replace the engine, radiators, and the left drive.
Oh my god, the repairs in this game take forever. Imagine if it took that long in real life to repair a tank.
You know, I have no idea if I remember the fuses. Take this, you commies!
Herr Commandant, are you okay?
Oh, Heinz. I've been thinking. Maybe German technology was not superior.
No way, Commander. German is the best nation in War Thunder.
Yeah, you'll see once we grind to the Jagdtiger.
Oh well. I suppose we might as well try. It can't be worse than this scheisse house on wheels.
Yeah.
Welcome to the end of the video. I do hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. I'd like to give a big thank you to my wonderful voice actors, Greg Bennett, Archie Palmer, Jack McKibben, and of course Drew Russell. And also a big thank you to my two cats for helping me out while filming, and my patrons for helping me fund the props and some of the new tanks that I built for this video. And I apologise for some of the delays on this video. I was hoping to have it out a little bit earlier, but unfortunately after going down to Sydney for a wonderful air show, I caught a bit of a virus, which you might still hear in my voice at the moment. But plenty of videos are in the works, which will hopefully be out in the next week. Way too many projects on the workbench at the moment. I really should sort them out. I also have another War Thunder sketch planned, which will include a very special voice actor, so stay tuned for updates on that one. I've also still been doing a bit of work on the Bridge Part 2. I'd originally been saying about releasing it in February, but it's taken a little bit longer than I had anticipated to do some of these other videos, and I've kind of been prioritising getting a few smaller videos out there for people to enjoy. But I will have some more news on that soon, and hopefully I'll do a little trailer in the next month and be releasing the full video not too long after that. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and until the next video, model on!